Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Myers.
And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. Today we've got a box from
Taiwan.
That's right, Miles. This is a box from Taiwan from a company called Mazendo. Let's crack it open and have a look inside. Alright, and here we are. Oh my. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow. This is a neat little poster with information on their products and it's autographed. So cool. Thank you very much. This right here is a information sheet. I'll read it to you. The information of noodles with mala sauce. Introduction of product. Noodles using natural sun-dried guanmiao noodle, only adding flour, water, and salt. Natural for healthy living. The sauce is a combination of vegetarian oyster sauce, which is made by a centuries-old soy sauce brand, wanchunong, and our famous mala oil. The mala oil is made by dahong pao peppercorns, which can bring a strong and unique fragrance. How do you cook it? Prepare a pot with boiled water. Put the noodles in the boiling water and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Adjust the hardness of noodles according to your personal preference. So, cook longer if you want them softer. Scoop up the noodles, put the noodles into the bowl, add the sauce, stir well, and it's ready to serve. You can also serve with chopped green onion, and it can bring the flavor to a higher level. Let's see what's in this box within. And here we are. So this is the chili noodle. I guess I can take one out of the pack and see what they look like. Here we go. Here it's a broad noodle. Underneath here is our spicy sauce. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, well, cool. Thanks to Eva over at Mazendo for shooting these over. Looking forward to giving them a try. And since they're spicy, I'll probably do a mukbang with them. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.